Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Years ago, World Heart Federation in association with World Health Organization announced the establishment of World Heart Day on 29 September. Intention being to increase the public awareness of heart health, cardiovascular diseases including their prevention and global impact. Yes friends, we celebrate so many days, Friendship Day, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, but we totally overlook World Heart Day, which in fact should be given the most importance. Well, so in today's video, we'll learn to make a satisfying and refreshing healthy breakfast. The prebiotic oatmeal smoothie, which gives you stable energy and keeps you full all morning. Plus, it has many health and beauty benefits, especially for your cardiovascular, skin and gut health. Also friends, after the recipe, I'll tell you guys a checklist of foods which you must include in your daily diet to boost your heart health. And now without much ado, let's begin with the prebiotic oatmeal smoothie recipe.
Well, to make this smoothie, we'll only need 4 easy to find ingredients. 1/3 cup oats, 1 orange, 1 banana, and half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Guys, oats are cholesterol lowering and a prebiotic to help our good bacteria multiply. It also keeps us full for long and help to lose weight without being hungry. Orange is a great source of vitamin C and makes you feel less stressed and keep your skin young and fresh. Banana is another prebiotic to help your gut health. And cinnamon is a tasty anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and anti-diabetic spice. So to begin, in the evening, we need to soak 1/3 cup oats in water and refrigerate it overnight. Now first we need to juice the orange. So we have orange slices and we churn them. And filter the juice. And our juice is ready. Now we have soaked oats, orange juice, banana and cinnamon powder. We add all of them to the blender jar. Oats, banana, juice, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now we shall add little water to give the smoothie a creamy texture. And then we need to blend them until smooth. A super easy and very tasty oatmeal smoothie is ready. We just need to pour it in the glass, sprinkle some cinnamon on the top and drink. It's healthy, high fiber, vegan and gluten free.
Friends, eating heart healthy foods and inculcating them in our diet plan does not need to be a complicated procedure. We should be eating and drinking well and giving our heart the fuel it needs to live a long life. So here are some foods we must include in our daily diet to boost our heart health.
Firstly, oats. A diet that includes oats is effective in lowering the cholesterol level in our body. Next, nuts like almonds, walnuts have high amount of unsaturated fats that are good for our heart as they help in reducing the inflammation of the arteries. Then berries. They are full of heart-healthy phytonutrients and lots of soluble fiber. Next, kidney beans or black beans contains lot of fiber and minerals. Then flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and phytoestrogens, and all of these help in boosting heart health. Some other fruits and vegetables like oranges, broccoli, tomatoes, spinach, carrots and papaya are all rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, folate and fiber, which are really good for the heart. And if you can't control your sweet tooth, well, dark chocolate is the healthy way of going about it, although make sure that it's at least 70% cocoa.
So guys, that's all for today's video. Having a healthy diet is not only good for our heart, but also help reduces our waistline, keeping it in check among various other benefits. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the little knowledge, and so if you did, do like the video, share it with your family and friends and spread awareness. Also subscribe my channel so we can explore more delicious recipes and health tips. Signing off now, till then do it yourself and stay healthy, stay fit.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.